From the heart of the Caribbean, Jamaicans have made waves far beyond their island home. Whether it's through our music, food, or revolutionary leaders, the impact of Jamaica can be felt across the globe. Today we're diving into how Jamaicans have shaped cultures and communities all around the world. Let's start with one of Jamaica's greatest gifts to the world, reggae music. This genre, born in the streets of Kingston, has become a universal language of peace, love, and resistance. At the forefront of this movement, none other than Bob Marley, a name that needs no introduction. His message of freedom and unity continues to resonate, whether you're in Africa, Asia, or Europe. But reggae didn't stop there. The rhythmic pulse of Jamaica has influenced other genres like hip-hop, reggaeton, and even pop. Artists like Sean Paul and Shaggy took dancehall to the international stage, while modern stars like Coffee continue to push boundaries, making sure Jamaican music remains on top. Next, we travel to the United Kingdom, where Jamaicans have deeply influenced British culture.
Diaspora sees the arrival of more than 400 happy Jamaicans. They've come to seek work in Britain and are ready and willing to do any kind of job that will help the motherland along the road to prosperity. They're all full of hope for the future, so let's make them very welcome as they begin their new life over here.
After World War II, thousands of Jamaicans were part of the Windrush generation, building new lives in Britain. From food to fashion, our influence is undeniable. Ever heard of the Notting Hill Carnival? This massive event, filled with vibrant music and colourful costumes, was inspired by Jamaican traditions and is now one of Europe's largest street festivals celebrating Caribbean culture. And in politics, we have influential figures like Diane Abbott, the first black woman to be elected to the UK Parliament, a proud daughter of Jamaican immigrants. In the United States, Jamaican immigrants have also left their mark. In New York, Miami, and beyond, Jamaican communities thrive, enriching American culture with our bold flavors and lively music. Jamaicans aren't just cooking and singing, though. We're making strides in politics and entertainment. Colin Powell, the first black US Secretary of State, was born to Jamaican parents, as was Kamala Harris, the first female Vice President of the United States. In track and field, we have figures like Usain Bolt, the fastest man alive, who brought pride not only to Jamaica, but also became a global ambassador for excellence.
There too. But here's Bolt. Bolt charging to the front. Gay's coming, but can't catch him. Usain Bolt. Look at the time. 9:58 world record.
Over in Africa, Jamaicans share a deep connection. Reggae music has been the soundtrack to liberation movements in countries like Zimbabwe and South Africa. Bob Marley's song Zimbabwe became an anthem for freedom fighters during the country's liberation struggle. In Ethiopia, many Jamaicans have returned to the homeland, embracing the teachings of Marcus Garvey, who preached the unity of African people around the world. And let's not forget about Canada. Jamaicans make up a large part of the Caribbean community in cities like Toronto and Montreal. Our music, our food, and our culture can be found everywhere. Leaders like Michael Jean, former Governor General of Canada, represent the highest levels of influence Jamaicans have achieved abroad. Of course, no conversation about Jamaica's global influence is complete without mentioning our dominance in sports. From Merle Notte to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Jamaicans continue to inspire and set new standards for excellence.
From your left has been looking impeccable in the heat. She's got ahead already, and Sharika Jackson on the inside. It's Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price for her 5th world title in the women's 100. 10:16. for Shelley-Ann Fraser-Price. She equals...
Whether in politics, music, sports or culture, Jamaicans continue to make an indelible mark on the world. Our island may be small, but our influence is vast. We are more than just a people, we are a global force. If you're proud of Jamaica's impact on the world, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos exploring our incredible culture. Drop a comment below. Where in the world have you seen Jamaican influence?